So guys, it's really simple. Bring your clip to the timeline, left click, hold, drag and drop, then hold Alt, left click and drag to duplicate the clip. Select the upper clip, right click, speed and duration, change it to like 95. It's up to you that how much motion trail delay you want. Then change it from sampling to optical flow for better output. Then press on OK. Now go to top left side, effect control, or from here select the effect control. Then change the opacity to like 50. Move your timeline playhead. As you can see that we have our ghost trail effect. But suppose we want to start the effect from this point. So press on C or click on this razor tool. Let's cut it here. Delete to delete the part. Let's go to the end point. Seems like this is a good position. So cut here. Now just right click on the edge. Apply default transition. Default transition. Okay. Seems like we can move a little bit here. It's totally up to you from where you want to start the effect. So we are done. Let's go to sequence, render in and out. See, it's really simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.